children, today let's start with chapter number 5, that is Northern Mountains. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the Northern Mountains, Himalayas, right? So first, I will tell you about that mountains होते हैं नदर बुस्ट आपके कश्मीर इन द नॉर्थ वेस्ट और अरुणाचल प्रदेश इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट में क्या करता है लाई करता है, ठीक है। तो ये वाला पार्ट होता है ना हमारा, यहाँ पे आपके क्या लाई करते हैं नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स, ये हिमालय रेंजेस भी होती है, राइट। सो फर्स्ट इज जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. So state of Jammu and Kashmir lies extreme north of India. ये mountainous state है. It is known for its natural beauty. इसको हम heavens on the earth बोलते हैं. श्रीनगर इसकी capital है. Land surface is made up of high mountains and several lakes. In this, Jhelum Chenab flows through the state. There are several lakes in the state. And the Vular is the largest freshwater lake in India. Dal and Nagin are the famous lakes of Kashmir, right? So many houseboats in these lakes are found. Shikaras selling flowers and vegetables. The climate of Kashmir is very cold, and the Kashmiris themselves warm with Kangri small pond burning coal. They keep it under the globe. During the summer season, Kashmiri people do farming and produce rice, maize, rajma. They grow fruits जैसे apples हो गए, peaches हो गए, cherries हो गए, walnut हो गए, saffron हो गए. They rear sheep and goat for the. During the winter season, people stay at home, make handicrafts, wool, brass, silver, and what tapir must. Kashmiri men and women wear firan and salwars hair, right? They eat fish, rice, and vegetables, right? They speak Kashmiri, Dogri, Ladakhi, Urdu. They drink a special drink called kahawa. Most of the Kashmiri follow Islam and they celebrate Eid. Hindu festival celebrated like Shivratri. In the northeastern part of the state called Ladakh, people rear yak and pashmina sheep. What they follow? Buddhism. Jammu and Kashmir is famous for several tourist attractions. जैसे निशात हो गया, सालीमार हो गया, gardens, गुलमर्ग, वालगम, अमरनाथ केल, कृष्ण देवी टेम्पल, हजरत बल शाह हमाद मॉस्क. हिमाचल प्रदेश mountainous state है, capital of Shimla. Here several valleys, rivers or hills passes. The high mountains have snowfall in winter. You can say that they grow rice, maize, barley and fruits, apples, apricots, plum, pear, peaches and grapes. Many people rear sheep and goats and most of the people speak Hindi. और जो हिमाचली लोग हैं, they wear long loose woolen cloth called and pajamas. Men wear caps and women tie scarf, जिसे हम बाजू कहते हैं. Most of the Himachalis are Hindu. They celebrate Hindu festival. Dalhousie or Solan, यहाँ का famous hill station. Right, then we have Uttarakhand, Garhwal and Kumaon Hill comprise nearly to form Uttarakhand state. There are many ranges of Himalaya rivers and valley. Ganga and Yamuna are the major river. Gangotri and Pindari, famous glacier है, the capital है Uttarakhand state की. They are farmers and what they grow, wheat, maize, barley, right? And they in their terraced sea. Now they also rear sheep and goat. They speak Pahari or Hindi. They celebrate festival like Diwali, Dashera. They are courageous and hard work. Right? Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora, important hill station है. Haridwar, Rishikesh, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath, tourist places है of religious importance. Famous Kumbh Mela held at Haridwar. Sikkim. What is Sikkim? It is a small state in eastern Himalaya. How mountains are deep valleys. Kanchenjunga third highest peak है. Gangtok क्या है? Capital है सिक्किम की. People grow rice, wheat, maize, barley, potato, which is in the scattered terrace field. Sikkim state is famous for orchards. Oranges and apples are the main fruits grown there. Weaving, canning and handicrafts are the famous cottage and small scale industry. So we can say that Lepchas and the Bhutias and the original inhabitants of Sikkim. Nepalis who live here, the people speak Sikkimese, Nepali and Lexpa language. Women wear long skirts called boku. They are fond of dancing with masks. High head wear crowd with peacock feathers. Next is northeastern state. It comes 7 sister states भी कहते हैं like Assam, Meghalaya, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं 7 sisters. असम जो है वो foothills of हिमालय पे लाई करता है. The northern hilly tract is fertile and forested. Brahmaputra is the main river जो flow करती है. Farming यहाँ की main occupation है Assamese. They grow rice, jute, cotton, sugarcane, oilseeds, potatoes. These gardens are found on the slopes. Handlooms, bamboo and cake products and sericulture are popular industries. वहीं हम बात करें people of Assam, what they speak Assamese. और जो women हैं what they wear long flowing skirt जिसको हम मेखला कहते हैं. एंड अपर गारमेंट को रिहा कहते हैं एंड दे सेलिब्रेट बिहू विद अ ग्रेट जॉय। देन इज दिसपुर, इसकी कैपिटल है। मानस और काजीरंगा फेमस वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है। देन वी हैव मेघालय which means adobe of clouds. It is a hilly state. Garo, Khasi, Jente hills are the part of the state. Shillong is the capital. Shillong क्या है? Capital है मेघालय। The state has a wet climate. Wet climate है इसका, right? Cherrapunji and Masing Rao wettest place है। Majority of the people in Meghalaya are tribals. Garo and Khasi are the major tribe. Each tribe speaks its own language and observes its own customs. They are fond of wearing colorful clothes, singing and dance. Next is Arunachal Pradesh, consists of eastern Himalaya ranges. The state is thickly forested. Itanagar is the capital of Himachal Pradesh and several tribes live here. Each tribe has its own language, custom and dresses. They lived by farming, fishing and hunting. और जो shifting farming है इसको हम zooming कहते हैं. It is practiced over here, right? And people grow rice, maize, millets, oilseed and tobacco. Mithun, ये wild buffalo है. And as the sun rises, it is first seen here. So the state is named as Arunachal Pradesh. Nagaland in the hilly state, it is thickly forested and it is home of many wild animals. And Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Right? Capital Nagaland. The peoples are called Nagas. They practice farming, fishing and hunting. They grow rice, maize, cotton and millets over here. The Nagas wear colorful clothes decorated with feathers. They eat pork, rice and fish and drink rice beer, जिसको हम zoo कहते हैं. मणिपुर with a beautiful hills, lakes and marshes. लोकटक लेक जो है यहाँ का largest lake है. इम्फाल इसकी capital है. Farming main occupation है. ये यहाँ पे rice, maize, wheat, tobacco, cotton, sugarcane and vegetable grow करते हैं. They go for hunting and fishing. Handloom weaving यहाँ की largest. Cottage industry है. Sericulture, bamboo cane articles, leather goods are the other cottage industries that are seen over there, right? Tripura, if we talk about Tripura, it is a small state. यहाँ पे hills और valley है. अगरतला capital है आपकी त्रिपुरा की, right? People on the hills practice zoom cultivation. They grow fruits and tea. They also rear pigs and poultry. Handloom, handicraft and women. The articles are the chief cottage industry. Most of the people here speak Bangla and Pope Barak language. Women are fond of colorful dresses and silver jewelry. Mizoram क्या है? Land of hills और valleys है. Lusai Hill, it's a former part of state. Aswan यहाँ की capital है. People of Mizoram are called Muzas. They are tribal people. Most of them live by farming. They grow rice, maize, potatoes, sugarcane and ginger and tobacco. They also grow banana and pineapple. Bamboo and cane के जो articles है, ये famous handicrafts है मिजोरम के. And they wear colorful. आपने देखा होगा इसके जो मिजोरम के लोग हैं वो colorful clothes हैं. North West Bengal, the northern part of West Bengal is Himalayan region. There are several hills and narrow valleys. यहाँ पे आपको thick forest मिलेंगे. दार्जिलिंग यहाँ का famous hill station है. And here the famous high quality tea is available. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.